I'm Sue Todd, and my business is Sue Todd Photography, which gives you, I guess, an idea of what I do. I'm a commercial photographer. I work with all kinds of businesses, but my speciality is food, drink and hospitality. So I work with a lot of people in that industry and help them to make their food look more appetising, and I love to make people hungry. I've been an expert in residence for a little while now, and it's one of the things I love. It's about helping businesses, whether they're startup or they've been going for a little while, to identify their needs photographically and to help them and advise them on how to achieve their goals and objectives. But I also do a bit of teaching, sometimes for BIPC, sometimes on a one-to-one basis, and I really enjoy that, and that helps me help clients more than anything to bridge the gap between the images I take for them and the ones that they do on a DIY basis, just to even it out a little bit and not make it quite so stark. The first top tip would probably be to say, try and remember when you're taking photographs, if you're doing it yourself, that what you see with your naked eye is not what the camera sees. The camera sees everything, and while we look at a plate of food and we focus on a tiny part of it, the camera sees the whole thing, and then it amplifies anything that's wrong. And I mean really amplifies it. So you want to avoid things like wilted leaves, which will make the plate look dead. You want to make sure food's just arrived from the kitchen. And if it's something else, say you're shooting handbags, you want to get in and show the fine stitching, but you don't want any scratches or anything else to show. You need to show it as perfect as it can be, but keeping it authentic at the same time.